In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find updated high roller timing guides and review community documentation for Cloud Save synchronization. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and make sure your internet connection is stable. Using Chrome is helpful here because it makes searching fast and gives you easy access to tabs, bookmarks, and recent browsing history if you need to compare multiple sources. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and look up updated high roller timing guides. Be specific with your search terms so you can find the most recent and relevant information. For example, include words like updated, latest, guide, or timing to help narrow the results. This is especially useful if older pages are still appearing in search results, since timing-based guides can become outdated quickly. As you review the search results, pay attention to the source of the information. Community forums, fan wikis, discussion boards, and strategy pages can all be useful, but it's a good idea to look for signs that the guide has been maintained recently. Check for post dates, edit history, or user comments that confirm whether the timing information is still accurate. If several sources say the same thing, that usually gives you more confidence in the guide. After that, move on to reviewing community documentation related to Cloud Save synchronization. This part is important because Cloud Save behavior can affect how progress is stored, shared across devices, or restored after reinstalling an app or switching systems. Search for documentation, help threads, or community-written explanations that specifically mention Cloud Save sync, save transfer, account linking, or sync delays. As you read through that information, focus on the practical details. Look for notes about when saves upload, whether syncing happens automatically, and what limitations or common issues users have reported. Community documentation often includes real-world experiences that can be more helpful than short official summaries, especially when you want to understand what actually happens during synchronization. It also helps to compare a few different community sources instead of relying on just one. If there are conflicting reports, give more weight to the most recent discussions or the explanations